So what do you think about number 9? Are there any lines of symmetry there?
No.
Yeah, I agree. Well, you might like I thought at first when I first looked at this question back when I was picking out homework, I thought maybe there would be a couple. Like I thought maybe I was wrong, but I thought maybe this line right here, but that's not really. It doesn't really look the same, does it? In other words, over here is not the same as over there. That doesn't really cut it in half exactly. That's what a line of symmetry has to do. Excuse me, it has to cut it exactly in half. That line doesn't cut it exactly in half, not quite, right? This part is not the same as that part. So that's not a line of symmetry. And then I thought, well, maybe one like right like there, but same thing, same problem. This part is not the same as that part. So there's no lines of symmetry on this one. There's no lines that cut it exactly in half. That's what a line of symmetry is. Now, how about angles? Does it have some rotation angles? Let's, shall we try to grab it and rotate it? There we go. So what do you think? Can I rotate that shape and have it look exactly the same? So it would fit perfectly. All the arrows fit right on the arrows. After, let's see, I'll start rotating, 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 rotating. Well, basically I just have to bring that other part up to the top, don't I? There. That looks the same, doesn't it? I mean, that's exactly the same. You with me? See how that is, it would fit. Maybe mine's a little smaller. Oops, that was a mistake. There we go. Had a little trouble with my tool. There we go. Yeah, that looks exactly the same, doesn't it? That just fits perfectly. All the arrows fit on all the arrows. So that's not all the way around. I only rotated that something less than all the way around. You tracking with me? So how far was that rotation? Well, this part straight here in the middle basically needs to come to right there in the middle. And of course, you can do that again right to there in the middle, and then do that again to go all the way around. So there's 3 of those all the way around, right? There's the first turn, the second turn, and the third turn. So it's 360, which is all the way around, divided into 3 equal parts. That's 120 degrees. You tracking with me? I just took all the way around, which is 360, and divided it into 3 parts. So therefore, if you rotate it 120 degrees, which is 1/3 of all the way around, it'll fit right back onto itself. So 120 degrees, and then remember what you do, you just keep adding that same amount. So you keep adding 120. So 120 plus 120, that's 240, so comma 240. Add another one and you get 360, but we don't list 360 because that's all the way around. Of course, it's back unto itself. When you turn it all the way around, every shape will do that. We're not interested in that. We're interested in angles less than 360 that come back unto themselves. So the 2 angles of rotation symmetry would be 120 and 240, which is 1/3 of the way around and 2/3. Very well. 2/3 of all the way around. There we go.